we will set the radar operating schedule. That is under the Date and Time section. At the top, select the Schedule tab. There are 4 different schedules that can be applied. Each detection zone can use one of the 4. Disable continuous detection, and then set the operating times. Monday to Thursday are set correctly. On Friday, the factory closes early, therefore it is necessary to change the time. In the lower display, the green period when the radar is operating shows the correct time. Saturday, the factory only opens for a short time in the morning. The time is set, and again the green display shows when the radar will respond to targets. On Sunday, continuous detection is required. Set both times to equal each other. When finished, press Save. Another example is setting the radar to only respond during a small period of time. For example, between 6 and 9 o'clock in the morning. The display for Monday shows a green period between 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock. That is the only time in which targets will be responded to.